And what I'm doing is I'm just being careful that I don't get any shells in the my bowl. I'm cracking my eggs in the on a small little dish that I have here in the back room. Now, incidentally, I do all my cooking in the back room. And you can use butter. It's perfect, called Choc Zero. Here's what it looks like from the from that side. I absolutely love it. It's the best. And I got this off of Amazon. I just eyeball it about it looks like about a tablespoon. I mean, in the morning. And again, you guys can adjust this accordingly. I do this all the time. Okay. And I'm gonna just break the eggs. It's no big deal. And then we're gonna start adding our dry ingredients in. That looks pretty good to me. Bob's almond flour. For this particular batch, I'm using the much anymore, and I can just dump and go. I'm a dump and go person. And so that there, and then you're gonna need about a teaspoon of a good sized teaspoon of baking powder. And since that's all I got left in this particular container, I'm just gonna dump the rest of it in, which is about a tablespoon. I do have another brand new one in the cabinet. I just haven't opened it up yet, but I wanted to finish up this one first. And then we're gonna put some vanilla extract. Couple of tablespoons, so that I bought this from McCormick Pumpkin Spice. And it all depends on your taste buds and what you want, but I'm gonna put about a good tablespoon of that, and I'm fine with that. I'm gonna kind of like stir it up a little bit so it gets a whole piece of watery. Probably a couple of good sized tablespoons to that. What you do is you just keep whisking it together until you incorporate everything. You get all the lumps. No big deal. You can tell when it's almost done. God, I wish I could have you guys smell this. It's really, really fantastic smell with the pumpkin spice. Don't worry about over mixing it. I mean, when I get it incorporated like this is what I'm looking for a texture in my pancake texture. It's nice, well, and incorporated. The pancakes are really, really great, by the way. You can make these up ahead of time and actually freeze these. You know, if you got kids, you can make this sweet with your kids. And so that's about the texture that I'm looking for right about there. And I'm gonna just let that settle down. And I'm gonna go clean up my mess back here. And I'm gonna get the pancake grill out and I'm gonna warm it up and I'll show you how I make them on the grill. So I always wipe my spatula before I flip the pancakes after when I flip them, and then I try to wipe down the grill a little bit there so they get off all that junk before I do another round of pancakes. But yeah, these are coming out really, really good. I'll show you the ones that the first couple that I made. Look how good, nice these are. Really, really Love the texture on them. What we ended up doing is we ended up putting the heat back up a little higher to about 350, so they'll cook a little more evenly and a little more golden brown on the top. I mean, I'm okay with how they came out first up. Well, welcome back to the back room in National Pancake Day. So today we made 12 pancakes with the batter that we made, and we're going to do a little bit of choc zero on the pancake. And so I got a good idea on the next time I want to make pancakes, and I think what I'm going to do is put some like blueberries and maybe an orange slice or two on there. This stuff is really, really good, guys, this pancake syrup. In fact, I gotta get some more of it. It's that good. Well, there you have it, guys. Pancakes on National Pancake Day. Okay. Well, welcome back to National Pancake Day, and so we're getting ready to give it the taste test. Now about this recipe, March 1st is National Pancake Day, and I thought, well, what perfect timing in this to make pancakes, but today with almond flour. So I did 1 cup of almond flour. I did a 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. And then I used some sour cream. I'll have all the directions underneath the ingredients is underneath the video on what I used and how I assembled it.